Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable filtering on what you post in X. If you want to have control over the visibility of your posts and mark them as sensitive material, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be directed to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, usually positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, find and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Privacy and Safety and select Account Information. This section allows you to adjust privacy preferences and safety settings related to your account. Step 6. Within the Account Information section, locate and tap on Your Posts. This option allows you to manage the filtering of your own posts on X. Step 7. Enable the option. Mark media you post as material that may be sensitive. By doing this, you can mark your posts as sensitive material, ensuring that they are appropriately filtered and displayed to the audience. Now, you have the power to filter and control the visibility of your posts on X by marking them as sensitive material. Thank you for watching, and may your X posting experience be tailored to your preferences.